What's up, you guys? So I wanted to give a little bit of a review. Finally hit 5,000 miles on the Tacoma. It's been 9 months now I've had the truck. Haven't really put too many miles on it, but yeah, I have some things that I love and hate about it. Am I still happy with having a 4th gen Tacoma over the 3rd gen? Well, I'm going to tell you about all that. Wanted to tell you the negatives so far. So, number one, the key fob. If you're not like, I'd say 15 feet, 20 feet at most by the truck, it won't work at all. So, let's say, I was further down there, the key fob wouldn't work at all. You have to come about 20 feet to the truck for it to work. It's kind of a hassle, but we'll show you this part though. So when I'm driving now, I don't know if it took a while to get it to do that, but I'd say about 45, 50 miles per hour, something's vibrating in the rear driver's side door panel. I'll post like a little video of it. You guys might have watched that reel I put up, or the short I mean, and it shows the actual sound of what I'm hearing about 45, 55 miles per hour. I have issues with the tailgate closing. So there's a latch inside there. Sometimes it'll be like it's closed. When you close it and it hits this, it won't even latch onto it. It's like you'll hear the metal bar or something hitting this, so it won't even close. I've had that issue with the truck. But yeah, of course I take it to the dealer and we can't replicate it, It's always some BS with those guys at the dealership. But yeah, besides the little things I mentioned, the truck's been pretty awesome. As you guys can see, I took the dogs out again. They love it out here. But yeah, it's finally getting good gas mileage. I get about 16 to 17 in town, and it gets 20 on the freeway. I mean, obviously it's because I switched to 33s. That's the best tire to get for these, by the way. The 35s look awesome, but that's it, Mileage sucked. Got 12.9 to 13 miles per gallon. That was in town and freeway, which, yeah, forget that. So mileage is good now. No issues. Just had the first oil change done the other day. That's about it. It's a good truck, you guys. Obviously, my 3rd gen I had was sick too, so I'm not gonna say really one's better than the other. This is just upgraded, change is all it is. And 33s, you get good gas mileage still in this. Only thing with the 3rd gen is you put 33s on it. I was getting 13 miles per gallon, 14 in town and freeway. The 4th gen's awesome. I'm happy with it. If you guys have any questions or anything, just ask in the comments. I appreciate all you guys that watch my videos. And please like, subscribe, comment. Check my description for links to 15% off, code BLUESTI. And stay tuned for more content, you guys. Thanks for watching.